Hey guys, it's me, I Like Turtles, and Big Scary just got a brand new update with zombies, and I'm gonna be checking out with this goober. Yeah, so should we go?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Let's do it this way.
It's right here. Okay. Oh, there's space. So yeah, it's just up here by space bathrooms. I think we're gonna have to. Yeah, we're gonna have to rejoin the code. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Let's rejoin the code.
Yeah, you have to rejoin the code. That's dumb. Okay. Enter. Okay, we're here. Guys, sorry if the audio gets too loud or gets laggy. It's because this new update is very laggy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I've played this a little bit. And I just wanted to make a video.
I was playing.
Please say there's zombies. Yes, there's a. Oh my lord! There's a lot of zombies in this. So yeah, guys. Sorry if this audio gets too loud. It's just I can't control it. Let's turn it down. And also with being laggy. You got a box? Yeah, there's gambling in this update. So wait, blue. Whenever you get a crate, go back to spawn so you don't have a risk of losing it. Guys, I can't say this anymore. I'm severely sorry if this is loud. Oh, great! I got one! Oh my god, that is so loud. Okay, let's see what I get. As you can see, I already got the bronze toe one. Okay, let's see. Oh, come on! I got the least rare. That took so long to get the least rare. For me, I got this one first, then this one, then that one, and then this one, and then that one. I got this one twice already. So that means I got in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, because I got that one twice. 6 crates ever so far only somehow. Jesus! Oh my lord! So many zombies! I need my crate! That one didn't spawn? Yeah, cause... Dang! Oh, crate! Oh, yeah. Get up! Holy! I haven't ever had it like this from the times I've played this update before. I haven't ever seen this many zombies. By the way, you can't beat this map. This is just like a fun update. Like, the PvP map and everything. supposed to get that? I got a box. Oh my lord! I almost died. Okay, I got one also. See?
Oh, I got 15 more.
I got the eye again. Bro, if you should get your box back if you already have, if you get one you already have. Oh yeah. Wait, no, cause now, so I had what, 6 crates? I forgot I got that one twice. So 7, and now I got that one twice. So 8 crates. I got 3 boxes. Let's go! I need 1, 2, 3 more, 4 more cosmetics. And I have 2 more. Wait, no, 1, 2, 3. 3 more. No, I have that already. I don't even know what to say what's going on there. Dude. Holy moly, bro. Yeah, so blue's gone. So that means I'm just gonna end the video here. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Bye. See you next time.